targeting the low back, whether you've been working out or you've been sitting for too long. We're going to use the amp12 TRiO to eliminate low back pain, stiffness, and soreness. My name is Sarah Cariconi. Let's begin. To get started, you're going to go ahead and select the ball head and then turn the machine on prior to applying to the body. Then you're going to target the following areas. As we start out, the hip flexors, so the front of the hips, 15 seconds on each side. Followed by the hamstrings, 15 seconds on each side. Targeting the TFL, so that is connecting the femur bone to the hip, right there in between. Followed by the adductors, 15 seconds on each side. That's the inner thigh area. Then the QL, so that's your low back area, 15 seconds on each side. After, you'll turn the massage gun off and then do a few stretches. Done consistently, this can help to eliminate low back pain, stiffness, and soreness.